my guys? It's your boy Fud, and I am on my YouTube channel playing some Roblox. So I'm gonna play Animal Hospital, and I have played this game before. So let's go in. I'm really used to playing on my PS4, but as you guys can see, I can't really play on that because I have no way of recording. I'll show you guys my setup. Also, huge shout out to Mason, good Roblox player, I think. A huge shout out to him. He is awesome. Make sure to go subscribe to him. He's the best. He also does Roblox, like me. Yeah. Is it already Stalker? God, I really want to play my PS4, but I have to play on this. I've got like 20 minutes to record, because obviously it's a school day. I obviously have to go to school because it's a school day. Luckily tomorrow is the weekend, so I will post again, maybe a bit of a longer one. Can we please just hurry up? Okay, guys. I'm gonna skip. Okay, what is up, my fuddlers? I am back. I'm just gonna treat this one last patient, and then we can just go to my doctor. Oh, the doctor is leaving, and I've got 83 sanity. Excellent. Okay. Yes, you are Dr. Harlow. Otherwise, things get strange. Just keep looking. Okay, I'll keep looking. I'll fix up the shitters. Okay. No, I don't want to close it. No! Don't leave me! No, stop it! Excellent! Oh, okay. Are you peeping Tom? No. Oh no! Get your peeping eyes off me, little peeping mate. No, bro. Ah! What the hell? Bro. Get your peeping eyes off me. Peep off. Oh, don't get mad. You peeping Tom. Huh? What? Huh? What was that? You're a peeping Tom. Philippe Brown? Philippe? Okay, Philippe. Get the name back. Show me your picture. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Oh, I thought that was... It's a peeping Tom! Get your peeping eyes off me! I got your coffee. No? Bro, peep off! Get your peeping eyes off me! Get your peeping eyes! There you go. Okay, hold on! I got a peeping Tom! I couldn't do anything. Hey, yo, bro. Go away, peeping Tom. Is that another peeping Tom? Bro, get your peeping eyes off me. Bro, he's peeping. Nah, bro, get your peeping eyes off me. Yeah, peep off. banana. Oh, shoot. Paper! You have an ox back? No. Shut up. Talk normally, bro. Okay, I'm gonna finish all these chickens and then I'll see you. Okay, I just got that weird anomaly. Shut you. Let's see this guy walk away. That's why I hate Paper and Tom. What the hell? What is wrong with you? What the hell? Shut up. You have to be some sort of anomaly. Like, bro, it's really What? You're creepy. Your PPA is an anomaly. Oh my god. Okay, let me treat. Let me. Oh, you're kidding. Ew! Your breath stinks. What the hell? I'm just tapping it. Tap, tap. Stupid thing. More sugar! Maple syrup and cough syrup. Damn. The patients always want cough syrup and maple syrup. What? What's the maple syrup in the hospital? If you're low on sugar, drink some maple syrup from your own home. You need to be holding an item. I am! That's probably a peacock. A peeping Tom! Peeping Tom! Lol. Gimme! Oh, finally! You come in here for dehydration? You pour something? Bro, get a drink of water! Even if you are poor, why don't you come in? Bro, someone is knocking and I'm creeped out. Hold on. I'm back. What's up, my gang? Hurry up! Can you hurry? Wait, what is here? Oh my god. I have to leave, guys. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see me, get more, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want me to make videos of me playing Animal Hospital. Anyways, bye guys.